Hi, welcome to automation testing session with Java programming language using Selenium WebDriver. In session 3, we are going to learn about three topics. What is JRE, JVM and JDK in Java. But before that, we are going to see how we can check Java version in our system or laptop. For that, you need to go to your command prompt of your system. For that, go to search, type cmd, click on command prompt. Now type java space hyphen version, click enter. Here you can see Java version is this. You can also check Java compiler. For that you need to type java c space hyphen version, click enter. The compiler version is also showing. Compiler is basically a translator. For example, if I speak in English and the other person is understanding only French language, so compiler helps to translate English to French language. We'll take one example. Here you can see when you write a code in programming language, then compiler helps to convert into bytecode as computer only understand bytecode. Bytecode is a machine readable language that the JVM understand. We also have another way to check Java is installed in our system. For that, go to C drive, click on program files, click on Java folder. Here you can see JDK and JRE folder is showing. That means Java is installed in our system. Now switch to our main topic. What is JRE? JRE is Java Runtime Environment. We will understand JRE with restaurant as example. JRE is like entire restaurant where all the food gets served. It includes everything needed to run the food such as kitchen, the staff, the dining area and the utensils. Food is basically a Java program. Using the restaurant example, Java program assume it like a dish that a chef has created. Chef is a developer or the automation tester who is writing a code. The restaurant is where the cooking process happen after the dish is prepared. That is, dish is Java program. And the kitchen inside the restaurant is where the actual cooking happens. The JRE makes sure the kitchen has all the tools it needs to cook the dish. In short, the JRE is the entire environment that is responsible for running your Java program, just like a restaurant take care of serving a meal to customers. Key components in JRE. JVM acts as a kitchen, the kitchen where the actual cooking happens, that is execution of the program. Second is library and resources, that is ingredients and equipments. These are all the ingredients and tools that help the kitchen to cook the food. So these could be things like the recipe and the utensils, which behaves the Java class libraries and utilities and functions. These are all the library and resources that help the JVM to understand the code. JRE contains JVM, Java libraries and execution environment. So the JRE is for running your Java programs. If you just want to run Java programs, you need the JRE. If you want to write and develop Java programs, you need the JDK. We will discuss JDK after JVM. In Eclipse, we can see under project there are many JRE libraries like Java Base, Compiler, Desktop, Logging, Management, SQL, XML, Attachment, Compiler. Now switch to JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machine. It is like a kitchen of the restaurant where the cooking happens. The JVM takes your Java program, prepare it according to the code you write, and then transforming it into something the customer, the end user, can see or run on their computers. So it understands how to turn bytecode into actual actions that can be done by the computer, just like a chef follow a recipe to prepare food. The JVM is what makes your Java program work on different devices. That is, having a kitchen that know how to cook the same dish in any type of restaurant. The restaurant may contain Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. So why the JVM is important? The JVM makes Java platform independent. It doesn't matter if the restaurant is located in New York, Paris or Tokyo. That means any different operating systems, the kitchen, that means the JVM know how to run your program into the same bytecode. JVM is Java virtual machine where the program is executed. Without it, your program can't be executed and seen by the end user. Now, the question arises, how will you compile and debug the Java program? That's why JDK came into picture. So, our last topic is JDK. JDK is Java Development Kit. It is full set of tools that the chef needs to create the dish from scratch. That is, a developer or an automation tester need to create a Java program from scratch. What does JDK includes? JDK includes Java compiler, JVM, libraries, and other tools. The JDK also provide extra tools like debugger, profiler, and documentation generators, just like a chef uses other utensils to make cooking easier and more efficient.